Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you on how to create an alert dialog in Ionic framework. So let's start. So we have here a blank project. We'll be modifying the content of our blank project to enable alert dialog. So in here, in our project, we'll be deleting the default content. And then we'll be adding the Ion button. And then we'll be adding a click event equal to open alert dialog. That will be the name of our method. So in here we'll be adding the methods. Then in here we'll be adding the alert controller. Then inside of our method, we're going to define a variable. So we'll define that as constant. So equal to await alert controller dot create then since we use the await, we'll be adding the synchronous statement here. And then we're going to define the properties of the alert dialog. So first we have the header property. So for example, the name of the property is, or the value of the header is alert. And then it also have a subheader property. So for the subtitle, say subtitle, wala meantime. And then of course we have the message. And then let's say the value for that is this is an alert message. Then of course you need to define the buttons. So for the meantime we'll be using a one button only, which is the OK button. And then after defining the property of the alert dialog, we need to show that dialog. So in order for us to show that, we'll be calling again the await, then the name of the alert dialog, which we define that as alert. So you can change that, you can change to the variable you want. For example, you only define that as letter A, then that percent. So it's up to you on what variable you're going to use. So percent, semicolon. And then let's try to run our application again. And of course, we need to check the output. So we have the button here. Let's try if this button will execute the alert dialog. So we're able to display the alert dialog. So we have the header, which is the alert, the subheader, which is the subtitle, and the message property of the alert dialog, and of course the OK button. Okay, so we're able to successfully display the alert dialog. Okay, so now we're going to add another button. So question is, how are you going to add another button? So in here we'll be adding a cancel, for example. So let's try that. So in here you'll just add a comma and the name of the button. First is cancel, and save. Then we're going to check the output again. So let's try to load. So we have two buttons here, so the OK and the cancel. Now, what if we are going to add a function on our OK button and for our cancel button? So let's try that by adding a function of our button. So in here we'll be defining, we'll be adding a open brace for that. Okay. Then let's check the different property for that OK button. So let's try to define the text. First, the text will be OK. And then after that, we'll be adding the handler property. Then equal sign. Okay, the information that will be, or the statement that will be executed once you click the OK button. So for example, we'll just use the alert, the default alert for the meantime. So we'll be displaying the OK button or the OK statement. So let's try that by running our application again. And then let's check the output. Open. Then let's just click the OK. So okay, so we're able to execute a statement for our OK button. Okay. So that's all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next videos.